Laptops have become more essential than ever for remote access to work, school, and web-based applications. Maximizing battery life becomes an even greater priority to make sure we remain connected to the rest of the world without any interruption. If you are on the hunt for a new laptop, battery life is likely to be a big factor in your decision making. To help you out in choosing the best laptop with the best battery life, we have made a list of top 10 best laptops with the best battery life. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, a gaming laptop with the best battery life. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gives you up to 11 hours of battery life, but it is not the perfect laptop because it misses out a webcam and a Thunderbolt 3 port. This is an absolute beast of a gaming laptop, delivering an incredible performance with its AMD Ryzen 4000 processors and Nvidia RTX 2060 graphics card. And that's while touting best-in-class battery life that will last you all day long. And this is the best battery life that we have ever seen in a gaming laptop. As far as gaming laptops go, this is definitely among the best long-lasting battery life laptop out there, giving ultrabooks a run for their money. The other exciting features of this laptop is a fast display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a lightweight ultra-thin design and an affordable price tag. Consider this laptop for its excellent performance, thin and lightweight design. The disappointments are, as I said before, there is no webcam provided and fans can get loud on a longer usage. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Asus ZenBook 13. There is just something about a ZenBook. They are beautiful and tend to be incredibly slim and lightweight thanks to the Asus for their great design. In case of the Asus ZenBook 13, it will give you a battery life of up to 14 hours. The secret sauce is the Intel's new Tiger Lake chips. Under Intel's new Evo initiative, Intel Tiger Lake chips offer more powerful performance, longer battery life, and also the introduction of Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 6. Plus, you get the added bonus of the ZenBook's beautifully yet durable chassis. Evo comes with a number of requirements for laptop to receive Intel certification. One of those is at least 9 hours of battery life for 1080p systems. Asus ZenBook 13 exceeds those expectations, lasting up to 13 hours and 47 minutes, that is up to 14 hours on a laptop test. Consider this device for its sleek and lightweight frame, powerful overall performance and gaming performance, excellent battery life and very comfortable keyboard. The only disappointment with this laptop is its weak speaker. Acer Swift 5 with up to 14 hours of battery life. Acer Swift 5 comes with a remarkable new Intel Evo design, meaning this thin and light laptop is capable of delivering considerably more performance than before. Paired with a vivid 1080p panel, up to 1TB of storage and 16GB of RAM, all for $1,200 for the top-end model, the Acer Swift 5 is a remarkable achievement and a portable laptop that seems to avoid virtually every trade-off once associated with the thin and light laptop category. Depending on your usage, the Acer Swift 5 could get you through at least 1 and possibly 2 days on single charge. In many of the tests, it has lasted up to 13 to 14 hours, and this involves continuous web browsing, 1080p video playback with maximum brightness. Buy this laptop for its lightweight design, excellent performance, stellar battery life and gorgeous design. The only disappointment with this laptop is its keyboard. MacBook Air M1 with up to 14.5 hours of battery life. It's an amazing what a new heart can do for a laptop. The latest MacBook Air ushers in a new era of Apple with its custom-made M1 chip. Yes, Apple's long-awaited transition away from Intel and into the arms of a custom silicon has arrived, and the new chip blows you away with its performance. The MacBook Air outmuscles every laptop in its class while lasting a full day on a charge, and it does so with a fanless design, meaning the Air is pin drop silent. Along with the record-setting performance, Apple Silicon adds iOS and iPadOS applications to the Mac App Store. You'll also get better webcam quality, and the Mac OS Big Sur is a gorgeous redesign of Apple's desktop OS. The new MacBook Air may have a few faults, but it is the closest Apple has ever been to crafting the perfect laptop. Buy this laptop for its amazing performance, outstanding battery life, slim unibody aluminum chassis, and for its iPhone and iPad app support. The only disappointment here is the few ports. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 15 with up to 15.5 hours of battery life. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 15 is a blue-hued 2-in-1 head-turning laptop that will rock your world with a built-in show-stealing S Pen that attracts all the attention. Taking notes from its successful Galaxy Note smartphone series, Samsung packed an entertaining layer of stylus fun for artistic creatives, scribble-happy students, and note-taking professionals. But the pen is just the cherry on top of this spectacular convertible. There is so much more that this badass ultra-portable offers. Put your shades on. The Samsung Galaxy Book 15 is the first laptop in the world to feature a QLED display, which gives immersive display experience. And it is an energy-saving technology that helps to output super high brightness scores without depleting too much battery power. Speaking of its battery life, it will give you up to 15.5 hours, and as tested in many of the reviews, it has given up to 15 hours of battery life on a video playback and continuous browsing. Buy this laptop for its built-in S Pen, super bright screen, QLED display, and epic battery life. The only disappointment is speaker quality is not so good. HP EliteBook X360 G7 with up to 16 hours of battery life. It may not be as glamorous as the Elite Dragonfly, but the Elite 1040 G7 is every bit as capable. It flaunts an attractive metal chassis, boasts lightning quick performance, and lasts for more than 15 to 16 hours on a charge. The 1080p display is a good one for work and play. Plenty of ports mean you don't need a dongle, and a spattering of default and optional features make your work experience more secure and efficient. The sky-high price means the 1040 G7 is only meant for the high rollers, professionals with the high salaries, and researchers working long nights. You have to spend a lot of money for this machine. But if you have the cash, then this is easily one of the best business laptops on the market. Buy this laptop for its epic battery life, attractive slim design, good 1080p display, and fast CPU performance. The only disappointment is, as I said before, it is expensive. Apple MacBook Pro with more than 16.5 hours of battery life. With the advent of the M1 chip, Apple is free to be faster and stronger, free to dominate. And the company is wasting no time in asserting its dominance. Not only does the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 have better overall performance, it has some of the longest battery life we have ever seen in a laptop. Apple could have stopped there, but instead you get the faster web page loading times, a more powerful camera, and seamless integration between Mac, iPad, and iPhone thanks to the native universal applications. The 5nm chip even improves the camera and microphones. If you're looking for the fastest, most powerful premium laptop in the land, say hello to the new king. Buy this laptop for its stellar overall and gaming performance, excellent battery life, lightning fast SSD, and great webcam. The only disappointment is not enough ports provided. Asus ExpertBook B9 with up to 17 hours of battery life. Asus ExpertBook B9 wowed us with its battery life. If you need a laptop with one of the best battery life scores of all time, the ExpertBook will keep you comfortable for an insane 17 hours of battery life. You can literally get through 2 working days without having to charge this piece. On top of that, you get an incredibly lightweight yet durable design covered in an attractive midnight blue shade. You will also get some useful security features like an IR camera and a fingerprint sensor. Its 14-inch 1080p display is fairly bright and colorful as well, but its biggest asset is an anti-glare coating. Asus also equipped the ExpertBook B9 with a speedy SSD. Its 1TB M.2 PCI NVMe SSD duplicated 4.97 GB, which is really fast. Buy this laptop for its record-setting battery life, incredibly lightweight design, attractive midnight blue design, and decent 1080p display. The only disappointment is the performance is not so good for the price. Dell Latitude 9410 2-in-1 with up to 17 hours of battery life. It's not easy to stand out in the crowded business laptop category. Competitors like Lenovo ThinkPad X series and HP's Elite Dragonfly have raised the bar, making it difficult for others to make their case. But the Dell is proving that it's up to the task with the Latitude 9410 2-in-1, a sleek and sturdy business laptop with the unmatched battery life. It might not attract as much attention as those aforementioned models, but the Latitude 9410's all-aluminum chassis is thin and durable. Comes with powerful components including a 10th generation Intel Core CPU capable of running demanding workloads, and when you're off the clock, the Latitude 14-inch 1080p display captures rich color and gives you immersive display experience. But what makes the Latitude 9410 2-in-1 a true contender to the other best business laptop is its nearly 17 hours of battery life, which is amazing. Buy this laptop for its record-shattering battery life, premium durable aluminum chassis, fast performance, and security features like IR camera with a proximity sensor. The disappointment is the display. Dell Latitude 9510 with up to 18.5 hours of battery life. The Dell Latitude 9510 comes with a battery life that will last you 2 working days. That is amazing, and the bright 15-inch screen and a solid performance packed in a super slim design that looks amazing. If you have the money to blow and don't care about the display resolution or discrete graphics, the Latitude 9510 is for you and certainly makes its mark as one of the best business laptops and laptops with the best battery life. Buy this laptop for its longest lasting battery life, that is up to 17 hours, beautiful slim design, relatively bright 15-inch display, and solid performance. The only disappointment is the price is a bit high. So these are the top 10 best laptops with a long lasting battery life. So which laptop did you like the most? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.